I remember sitting on my cabin bed after a really long day thinking, am I seriously doing this again? Cleaning cabins, following routines, trying to keep up, years at sea, and it felt like I was just stuck in the same loop. And I know I'm not the only one who's felt that. Working hard, traveling the world, but still feeling like you are going nowhere. Hi, I'm Julia. I work on cruise ships for 6 years, traveling the world and learning the ropes. And recently I quit to start over back home and build my own path. I never actually planned to work on cruise ships. I had just finished 2 business degrees, one from the UK, one from Romania, and I came home thinking life will make sense after graduation. Instead, I ended up working a front desk job in my tiny hometown for $350 a month. After all the studying and effort, that paycheck felt like nothing. I was frustrated, defeated, and honestly a little lost. When the cruise ship opportunity popped up, I applied mostly for fun. I didn't think they would take me, but my past summer jobs in hotels actually helped me get in. And at that moment, I thought, this is it. Travel the world, save money, support my family. It finally feels like I'm moving forward. Boarding day was a lot. Seeing that massive ship in person made me realize how little I actually knew. I had to memorize layouts, learn new terminology, and adjust to a completely new routine, all while doing physical work as a stateroom attendant. Even small tasks felt overwhelming at first. Unboxing linens, cleaning cabins, learning protocols. It was a lot to take in, and I was just one person trying to keep up with the machine. The first few months were brutal. I was alone, learning the ropes, and trying to fit in with people from all over the world. I was physically exhausted, mentally drained, and constantly questioning myself. Over time, I got comfortable with the work. I made money, supported my family, and started feeling independent. And that's exactly when it got tricky. Because once you're making money at sea, it's easy to just say one more contract, and then another, and then another. Before I knew it, years had flown by. I started to feel stuck on autopilot. My body was telling me it was time to move up, but I was afraid of stepping into management. Eventually, it took me 5 years and I did it. And that brought a whole new kind of challenge, learning to lead without burning out in a different way. It wasn't one single moment that made me leave. It was a combination of little things stacking up. Being blamed for things I didn't do, feeling like my voice didn't matter, realizing that no matter how hard I worked, I wasn't actually growing in a way that mattered to me. By the end of my last contract, I knew I couldn't go back. I was exhausted, burned out, and done chasing someone else's version of success. Coming home was a mix of relief and panic. At first, I just wanted to rest, travel a little, and enjoy my family. I spent Christmas with them after so long and even traveled with my sister to Kenya and Japan. It felt like I finally had a chance to breathe. But after a few months, reality hit. I didn't have a backup plan. I felt uncertain, insecure, and honestly scared. Could I actually build something for myself? Was leaving a mistake? Right now, I'm challenging myself publicly. I'm putting it out there that I want to get monetized on YouTube this year and reach 10,000 followers. Saying it out loud makes it real, and honestly, it's a little scary, but it's exactly what's pushing me to show up every day. The thing that kept calling me forward was photography. I had always been interested in it, so I started learning product photography, building a studio with simple equipment, taking courses, experimenting, and documenting my journey. It was slow, uncertain, and full of doubt. I questioned myself constantly, but I kept showing up, and eventually the progress came. My Instagram started growing, I started finding clients, and I realized that consistency matters more than perfection. 1% better every day beats trying to do everything at once. Looking back, leaving cruise ships wasn't easy. Starting over on land is not easy either. But what I've learned is simple. You don't have to stay stuck just because it's familiar. You can rebuild. You can create something that feels like yours. And yes, it's scary, it's uncertain, and definitely slow. But I feel like in the end, it's worth it. If you made it until the end of this video, I want to congratulate you. Really, thank you for watching and for taking the time to hear my story. I was thinking about something the coaches at a business event once said: finish what you start. That really stuck with me, and it's something I'm trying to live by every day. So, here's to starting new things, showing up, and keeping at it, no matter how scary it is. Till next time, bye!